Okay, team, just want to give you an update on the construction progress here for the new site, for the new attraction. We hadn't got to see the bridge too much, so here's the new bridge that we built. We didn't build it, the construction guys built it, but you can see that it was, you know, set up really nice. They did a good job. They actually cross beamed it this time versus the way we did it, and they moved it over a little bit, so it's actually really nice. We've already seen full dump trucks drive over it with absolutely no problem, so we're pretty good here. Now, it rained last night. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out in here without slipping and sliding. Damn it, it's pretty wet. Let me see, you can find dry spots to step on. Yeah, right here. Okay, you can see the site's fairly cleaned up already. I'll see if I've got some old video that I'll link in to show you what the site looked like before this all occurred. And it's been just a few weeks, actually. Nothing too crazy as far as time frame goes. Now, a lot of this dirt is surface dirt that they shaved here, and also that they pulled out of where the pump room's going. So you see on the last video, showed you what the pump house location was and what it looks like on the internals through the drawings. Let's see what it looks like now. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Okay, it's got to get deeper. So you see the squares right here. That's the depth of the pump house right there. They got to go a little deeper because of the piers, floor beams. Right, floor beams are being poured, so that's what they're doing there. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. All right, you got a little bit of pipe still. They had some more delivery, some other stuff, but nonetheless, we're looking good. Man, it's so cool to see that this is actually moving. Right, loving it. Loving it. They are gonna have to penetrate the floor, concrete floor, or the to put piers up to hold the retaining wall up. So once that's all done, once that's all done, we'll have a nice, really tall wall. Speaker wire, it looks like. But man, this all being cleaned up is crazy. All right, construction's closed for the day just because of the weather coming in. But yeah, all right, man, it's crazy to see it, how clean it is. I haven't seen it like this in years. I was here for the construction, the original construction, so it's kind of crazy to see this. And I got to see it when it was like full, you know, grass and everything. So all right, team, we'll check you on the next one. Thanks for joining me.